Stephen Provencher, managing director of Newmark, represented ABB in selling their 155,600 square foot manufacturing facility, along with a 33,455 two-story decommissioned office building on a 21-acre site located in the New Berlin Industrial Park. After listing it, Provencher worked with ABB to determine the timing of their move into a newly constructed $100 million facility also located in New Berlin. He determined a leaseback structure that would work best for his client and was able to attract a number of well-qualified buyers. Ultimately, it was determined that the best buyer was an affiliate of Vanguard Partners, which created an investment entity to purchase the property. This buyer realized the benefits of buying a state-of-the-art manufacturing facility in Waukesha County that had an industrial vacancy rate of around 1%, with upside of expanding the facility another 100,000 square feet after the demolition of the decommissioned office building, which made up for the short 12-month leaseback period with ABB. The sale of 3280 South Clement Avenue in Milwaukee represents one of the most significant industrial investment transactions in the region. The 1,043,600 square foot facility, located on 43.53 acres in the Bayview neighborhood, was sold by Stellantis and acquired by Phoenix investors as part of a two-property portfolio. The property serves as a Mopar parts distribution center and is 100% leased back to Stellantis, ensuring operational continuity. This highly complex assignment required a tightly controlled and targeted marketing campaign to protect confidentiality, given Stellantis' sensitivity to publicity and unwillingness to commit to a long-term lease structure. While the Bayview location could have supported a unique redevelopment opportunity, the seller required the site to remain industrial in use, narrowing the buyer pool. The transaction was successfully executed through careful positioning, discreet outreach, and leveraging deep market relationships, creating a win-win outcome for all parties. Madison Commercial Real Estate, MCRE, led by listing brokers Mike Hurl and Mike Osborne, guided a cross-border seller based in Jerusalem through valuation, pricing, and listing strategy for 805 Unique Drive. Soon after going to market in March 2023, rising interest rates pushed cap rates wider, forcing continuous re-underwriting and expectation resets. Communication grew harder as the Gaza war began, complicating document execution and decision cycles. Buyer rep Ben Filkowski re-engaged his client, Greenmont Group, nearly a year after losing the initial bid. Now, with higher rates and one less year of remaining term, investor approval required a longer lease, so MCRE navigated a dual track. One, negotiating a PSA with a difficult-to-reach seller, and two, structuring an early lease extension with tenant Unique via a creative incentive package. As terms neared completion, Unique's president unexpectedly passed away, pausing talks and creating leadership uncertainty. MCRE helped stabilize negotiations with the new president, preserved key deal points, secured the extension, and kept the transaction moving, ultimately closing in January 2025 after a 22-month multi-stakeholder high-volatility process.